Yeah, it's nice there, beautiful there now.
It's good, it's good. I live in Africa for more than 20 years.
Okay,
In Botswana,
okay.
in a country next to South Africa. We share the border with South Africa.
With South Africa, okay.
And Africa is also not what people think.
No.
Africa have this good part as well.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not all about the kid in the village.
So what do you prefer, actually, living here in New York City or Africa? I mean,
I live in New Jersey.
New Jersey.
We just come and do our work here. We deliver the packages here from Amazon.
Sure.
But here there's more opportunities.
Of course, I can see that. I
all over
understand.
the country. US is US.
USA is USA. You bet.
There's great opportunities here. When you work, you reward.
Exactly.
You know, this is what some of the countries they have this problem.
Right.
You work for hours, then you wait for the end of the month to get the salary.
Sure, sure.
It becomes tough.
Well, I lived here most of my life. I was born in the United States, in Maine, the state of Maine. I don't know if you know where that is.
It's a small state, eh?
Way up north, yeah. There's only 1 million people there.
Yo!
So it's not too many people. Not as many people even in this little block.
Yo,
you know? But we lived all over the place.
That's good, that's good. But you're full-time in Poland now, in Poland?
Full-time in Poland. We've been there since 2016.
Oh, that's good.
So, you know, we're living fine over there. I'm teaching English, actually.
You teach English over
I
there?
try to.
That's good, that's good.
So we'll put your video for my English students. They want to hear real people.
That's good.
Real New York.
In my case, I speak Spanish.
Speak Spanish?
Because I'm from Cuba.
I know, okay.
So I learned how to communicate English in Africa.
The English is good, though.
That's why I love Africa so much.
The Spanish is pretty important here in the United States, too, in New York City.
Yeah, there's many people who speak Spanish here.
Sure.
Yeah.
I don't know. I wish I learned Spanish. I worked for a company in Jamaica, Queens. I don't know, close to the airport.
Okay.
A lot of people there from, you know, a lot of speaking Spanish.
Okay.
And I didn't really learn Spanish. I learned Polish instead.
Yeah.
But now I think I should have learned
Are you
Spanish.
fluent in Polish?
I am sort of fluent in Polish. I don't know.
But there, do they speak German also?
It's right next to Germany, but some people in Poland speak German.
They are close to the border.
Close to the border, but it's very different languages.
Oh.
German, I think, is closer to English.
See.
Polish is, you know.
Well, in South Africa, they speak Afrikaans.
Okay.
And it's close to Dutch and German.
Okay.
See, they are very similar. They
I see.
Very similar, the Africans.
I'd like to visit sometime. I know South Africa's not so good for
not
colored
that
people,
safe,
yeah?
It's not that safe, but mira, Botswana, where I used to stay, very safe.
Okay.
Botswana, Namibia, Zambia.
Okay.
100%.
Nice.
Very good people, very calm, very welcome you when you arrive.
Very nice.
Yeah. South Africa, they still have their issues.
I notice here in New York City, though, people are pretty friendly too, quite honestly.
People here, they are extra friendly.
Extra friendly. Maybe, you know, maybe they have a motive, right? They want something.
Extra friendly.
All right, we're going to head on. Nice talking to you. Be good, sir.
Thank you so
Good
much.
day. Great
Yes,
day.
sir.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.